Technical debt often accumulates when unprocessed anxieties in our organizations dictate priorities. Now, in an example where I saw this clearly in an organization, again, it might be different in yours, it always started with a deadline. If pushed, in this organization especially, the reason, the purpose of the deadline might be clear as mud, but the emotions around the deadline are very real. So, over time, people learned not to question the deadlines. Although what would happen time and time again then is that shortcuts will be taken. Everybody feels the pressure, and nobody wants to be the person that makes this fail. And in one case, there was a developer being brave enough to ask questions about the existence of the deadline, and he was labeled as someone like that doesn't believe that we can do this. Are you on the ship or are you off the ship? If you want to be on the ship, then you have to believe and work with us to make it happen. Why we need to make it happen, we still don't know. What I also saw is that there might be developers that feel, okay, I need to stay professional. But unfortunately, a bad system beats a good person any day. So this developer trying to do the right thing, keep on writing the test, keep on refactoring the code, would soon find him or herself getting pushback even from peers. Peers saying, listen, that refactoring of yours, it's very nice, but we can do that later because you are breaking my code. And then that well-intentioned developer will say, but no test failed. Oh, but of course it didn't fail because we don't have the tests, because we need to work towards a deadline. We switch SonarQube off and because there's this deadline, right? Make it happen. So unfortunately, sometimes you might find yourself in a position where you either have to collude or you need to keep on standing strong, which might get you into the place where you become a scapegoat, where you are labeled as the person making this fail or exit the system. And now this sounds very dreary, I know, but there is hope.